Okay, so this is a LG G3 phone, and we will reset the software on this one. So first of all, make sure you turned off your phone. This one is on, so hold down the power button. Okay, select power off the phone. Okay, so the phone is turning itself off right now. Okay, it's off, and now we will use the power button and the volume down. We have to press both of them together, and after that the LG logo will come up, and when the LG logo is visible on the screen, then this one, the power button, will be released for a half a second and then pressed again. So press both. When the logo comes on, release and press again. So let's see. I'm pressing both keys, power and volume down. LG logo comes up, released and pressed again. And this is it. Factory data reset, volume up and down, power key okay, erase all user data and restore default settings, no, exit, and yes. We have to navigate in this menu using the up and down keys, and the power button will be the OK key. So let's go down using the volume down key. It's moving up and down. Okay, so let's go to yes, reset, press the power key, power to confirm, erase all user data and restore default settings. Select yes to start. Let's go down to yes, power button to accept it. LG Live's good. Now we have to wait until the software is being resetted on the phone. Android logo, LG Live's good. Make sure you back up all your data before doing this, because this will delete all your personal files and folders, images and everything that you stored on your phone. Android is upgrading, optimizing apps 9 out of 156. This may take longer depending on apps. Please do not remove the battery until complete. 29 out of 156. Finishing boot. And that's it. Now you have to set everything from the beginning, and your phone should be okay. Let's press the power button, and the phone has been resetted. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.